The Statue of Liberty, the American symbol of freedom, or one of the New York most tourist attractions. If you had got just one chain to see it, how do you do it right? Today, we are going to talk the statue on how to do there. The Statue of Liberty, formerly Liberty Enlightening the World, was a word from friendship from the people of France to the United States. It's recognized as a universal symbol of freedom and democracy. Was designed by French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, and its metal framework was built by Gustave Eiffel. The statue was dedicated on October 28, 1876. Standing 305 feet, 93 meters high, including its pedestal, it represents a woman holding torch in her raised right hand and a tablet bearing the adoption date of the Declaration of Independence, July 4, 1776, in her lap. The torch, which measured 29 feet from the flame tip to the bottom of the hamlet, is accessible by 42 foot. Service later inside the art. This access was open to the public from 1886 to 1916. Now, I'm going to explain exactly how to get inside the Statue of Liberty and see the crown. It requires planning. Before you go to the crown of the Statue of Liberty, you need to go to the website tickersstatuecruisers.com. Click in Crown's AdSense. At least 1 to 2 months out in the summer. It might even be 3 or 4 months. A lot of people don't realize is that the pedestal was built by the US, and a lot of that money was raised from the general public. $100,000 is raised for the general public. A lot of its donation as small as $1. It's very important, if you have a ticket for the crown or the pedestal, you have to use a locker to save your things. You can't bring a tripod there. You can only bring a cell phone, water bottle, of a camera. You can decide how to get to the crown of the Statue of Liberty. You can use the steps to the pedestal and crown, or elevator to the pedestal and then 146 steps to get the crown. The Statue of Liberty is really important in the history of the United States. Remember, this is the must-watch before your first trip to New York City. Trust me.